Look at the Enterprise sign.
Enterprise, what happened? Where is it? Oh,
It's
The
on the
Enterprise
trail.
that's your
sign
truck?
is leaning, Lord, holding up the.
Yo.
Look at the ground.
Yo.
So the Enterprise sign, because my daughter can't sit herself down, she still try to move around, talking about she paid for a car cert at ATL, and it ain't no refund. So we at Enterprise to get her car rental so she can go to drive to ATL, and we pulled up to the Enterprise place, and boom, look at the sign. Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Just hold on. The Enterprise people don't even have power, so what they doing? I tell you, young people in 2024 is slow in the brain. Wow, that's God's work. Baby, you don't play with God. That Suburban. The Suburban look like it ain't even really touched though.
I know, right? Like, that
But
was
look
like.
at God's work. That's how powerful God is. You can't stop God. The car is actually not in harm's way. It didn't damage the car. That's what I'm saying.
That's surprising.
Yeah. It touched the car. I mean, it touched it, but it don't even look like a dent.
Oh, it has a dent right
Yeah,
there.
but that's it. That's amazing.
Oh, yeah, we supposed to pull down the front. Damn, somehow we pull down the front.
What you trying to charge?
They working from
Yeah, they charge
outside
it in the
today.
car.
Yeah, it's charging the
Enterprise.
car.
You got the key. They said they gonna get their money, honey. That car is a miracle because it just got a one dent.
Real?
The Tahoe.
One dent.
You trying to get something new?
Huh? The kind you need to come back, go and go. No gas.